Hello kids, today I will tell you about Mahatma Gandhi ji. Do you all want to know about him? Yes, so let's get to know about him. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd of October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father Karamchand Gandhi was the Diwan of Porbandar estate, known for his honesty and dedication. His mother Putli Bai was deeply religious and simple, who instilled in Gandhi the values of truth, compassion, and fasting. Gandhi began his schooling in a local school. From an early age, he also received religious and moral teachings. He was very interested in simple living and discipline. At just 13 years old, Gandhi married Kasturba Gandhi. Kasturba supported him in every struggle and remained his true life partner. At the age of 19, Gandhiji went to London to study law at the Inner Temple. Later, he went to South Africa where he faced racial discrimination. One incident, when he was thrown out of a train despite having a valid ticket, became a turning point in his life. The injustice faced by Indians in South Africa deeply moved Gandhiji. It was here that he began his movement of Satyagraha based on truth and non-violence. This very principle later became the foundation of India's freedom struggle. In 1915, Gandhiji returned to India and joined the freedom movement. He led struggles in Champaran, Bihar and Kheda, Gujarat against unfair taxes and exploitation of farmers. Gradually, people began to call him Bapu and Mahatma. Gandhiji's life mantra was simple living, high thinking. He wore only khadi clothes and made the spinning wheel charkha a symbol of self-reliance and the Swadeshi movement. This encouraged the boycott of British goods and strengthened Indian unity. Against the unjust salt tax, Gandhiji led the historic Dandi March. He walked nearly 240 miles from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi. This salt satyagraha became one of the world's greatest non-violent movements. In 1920, Gandhiji launched the non-cooperation movement, encouraging people to boycott British schools, offices and goods. In 1942, he gave the call for the Quit India movement with the slogan "Do or Die." These movements shook the foundations of British rules. After a long struggle, India finally gained independence on 15th of August 1947. However, the partition and Hindu-Muslim violence deeply saddened Gandhiji. He spent his final days promoting peace, unity and brotherhood. On 30th January 1948, Nathuram Godse assassinated Gandhiji in Delhi. His last words were, "Hey Ram." Gandhiji is remembered as the father of the nation. His principles of truth, non-violence and simplicity continue to inspire the world. Great leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela were influenced by him. Today, 2nd of October, is observed worldwide as the International Day of Non-Violence. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you.